Yo, starting off the day with Earn My Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And this first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going about 5 miles.
What can I get started to?
Hi, pick up for Rachel?
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. This would be on the top floor. Top floor, no tip. Name a better combo. Total for that was $8. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is going 3.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Oh my goodness. What a great app. For some reason, it's saying it doesn't have permission to use my camera, even though I just used it on the previous order. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, we got a Wendy's going 4 miles.
No sirve la máquina. Sorry for waiting. ¿Tienes algo for you? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Me too. I'll go ahead and say it. I wish Wendy's didn't exist. I don't think I've ever had a Wendy's that was outstanding and I was happy about accepting. Total for that order was $9. Ooh. Let's say that one was okay. I'm not gonna say it was good. Bruh. Wendy's again? Really? This one is going 3.5 miles.
I take your order, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. I appreciate someone trying to help me find their apartment, right? But when they're actively giving me wrong information, I don't know anymore. They said their apartment was behind a black Subaru. No Subaru in sight, by the way. Trust me, I checked. Oh, and that wasn't like a note left from a previous order. That was them messaging me as I was looking for a parking spot. Next up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one is going 4.5 miles. No tip. Thank you, thank you. Total for that was $6 and change. Got this order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, only one item. Excuse me. I don't know if you can help me out really quick. There's something on the top shelf that I'm trying to get. It's all the way in the back on that one. I don't know if it's the right thing or not though.
What specifically is it?
It's the 100% acetone. There's like one laying down. I can't tell if it's the one that I need.
Last one?
I think that's it, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. God, these people are so useless, man. Like, oh man. I'm getting tilted. This next order is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles. So on that order, they messaged me asking for a specific nail polish remover thing, which I'm pretty sure I got because that was the only item on that shelf that was labeled that way, but it was like laying on its side, so I couldn't tell. I sent them a picture asking if it was the right one. No response, so I figured since it's scanned correctly in the app, it has to be it. Fast forward to dropping it off, their pin is nowhere near their apartment. And speaking of pins, I needed a pin to complete that order, but it said leave at door. Tried knocking anyways, cause, well, maybe they just forgot about the pin. No answer. Okay, cancel that one. One, we're getting ignored. And two, got a much better order. This is River Maiden, $12 going 3 miles. It's a little flimsy, so careful.
Okay,
You got it?
I do.
All right, you have a good day. Got this right away. It is a Starbucks, $6 going 1.5 miles. They just gave me an add-on. I think it's for this same Starbucks that I'm just leaving now. The other one was $6 going 2 miles. Ooh. I thought that cat was eating a trash bag. Turns out it was getting freaky with another cat. I mean, don't let me stop you. Hello. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. They're still going at it. All right, let me stop being a creep. Ooh, still on the way to Starbucks, and they gave me another add-on. This one is $8 going less than a mile.
Have a great day. I appreciate your patience. These are listening.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Got the next order lined up after these two drop-offs. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $9 going 5 miles, 3 items. For Natalia?
Yeah.
There you are.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. I just gotta scan that really quick. Wanna make sure it's the right one. Yep, that's the one. Next order up is a Taco Bell. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next order up, got a crumble cookie going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. For Skylar.
Oh yeah, you can just put it on the counter.
No tip. Total for that was $5. Okay, I think I'm just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to over $100. So that's good enough for me. Current time is 9:52. Current total, if I added everything up correctly, it should be 95 or 96. And like I said, just waiting on that one Uber tip. So should be at least 101. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.